Why is my hair too big? Why is my hair too flat? Why is my hair too frizzy? Why is my hair so dry? What's wrong with my hair? Do you want to know? All the questions of the natural hair world are answered here. We will not be putting that in. I'm Beth. This is the Beth method. There's a method to this madness. Being a mom is like really hard. It's a hard job. They don't really tell you how hard it is when you first sign up to do it, but it's hard. But being a mom with natural hair, now that's hard. Being a mom with natural hair, with a daughter with natural hair, that's really, really hard. If you fall into any of those categories, honey, this channel is for you. I was one of the girls in high school who straightened my hair every single day. My hair was so heat damaged, it was so bad, but one day I said, let's see what these curls are talking about. And they weren't really talking. They weren't really talking. They were waving, but they weren't talking, okay? But as I began learning and researching about my naturally curly hair, that's when I learned the keys, and people started to ask me, what did you do to your hair? What product did you use? Did you use a curling iron to get it like that? I was like, no, not a curling iron, no. That is why I started this channel, and that is why I'm still here today, to help people like you and people like me with their hair and with their daughter's hair, their kids' hair. You guys, my daughter has more hair than me. Can you even fathom that? Does that even make any sense? That's crazy. That is a whole nother undertaking in itself. And I'm here to help you because I know how daunting it can be, how stressful that it can be being a mom, and how daunting and how stressful it can be having natural hair. And I want to help you guys every step along the way that I can to help you guys make this process easier and learn processes that work so that you don't, I do the trial and error so that you don't have to. That's really the main sentiment of all of this, is that you're not alone. I am here with you. Join the community, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in a video. Go ahead and click on one now while you're here.